guys, I'm going to make a jacket with this the fabric, and I'm going to spread it, like use the stripes to make this jacket. So I'm going to take like 2 inches all around, and this fabric is Africa print, and I'm going to cut into pieces like 2 inches wide, and the length is going to be, so that I'm making a jacket with this. You guys, let's get into it. So guys, now we finished the straps we're going to use for this design, so I'll put this aside. Now I'm going to take the waist. So the length of this jacket is going to be 35 plus 2 inches same size, so plus 2 inches, so we have 35 here. I'll make it 36 plus 2 inches, exactly what we have there. So now I'm going to take the shoulders, the neck measurements. So the neck measurements, because this is back, we're going to take it 4 inches here. This is the back, so we take 1 inch here. So we connect it like this. That is the back. So if we want to take the front, I'm going to take 3.5. So this will be the front. So we're going to use the back to this back pattern. We're going to use this back pattern to, this is cut one, this back pattern to cut the front. So in the back, this armhole, we're not going to, this is the back armhole, this line, and this is the front. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shape measurements down. I think I have the shape ruler. Okay, let me use this. So I'm going to take this down here. Let me put the dots. Okay guys, yes, so now from the back line, I'm going to take nipple to nipple measurement. So this is my chest line. So for my chest line, I'm going to, okay, from the center back, I'm going to take, so from the waistline, I'm going to take 0.5 from both sides. Then I'll connect it together. No, I go up by 2 inches here. Okay, up by 2 inches, then downwards 1 inches. I take 1 inches down, so I connect it together. So that is that. This is the neckline. That is the 1 inches slope we take off. So now we had from the back line, the shoulder line, this is the back pattern. Remember that we had 1 inches to it. So this 1 inches we had here, I'm going to take it away from the front shoulder. Okay, I'll take the 1 inches off, but and to add ½ inches for sewing allowance. Take 1 inches, and I'm still going to add ½ inches for sewing allowance. Yeah, the front line, I'm going the front. So remember, we take 1 inches of the back, 1 inches of the back. So I'm going to take 3 inches, 3.5 inches from the front, 3.5 inches from the front line. Okay, let me take 3 inches from the front line. Then I connect it to like that. Then I cut. So guys, now I'm going to use masking tape to hold that the dart like this. To hold the dart down firmly. This is how it's going to look. So I'll do the same thing to all the patterns. So to the back as well, we're going to ignore this line. So we ignore this line. I use it to cut the front line, so that's why I put it. So we don't need it. We don't need this at the back. We only need this at the back. So this. So now I'm going to fold this the same thing I did to the back. Like you see, everything applied to the back as well. So this is what we need. So now we're going to start sewing it. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to start sewing the stripe to it vertically. Then later, after I finish this, then I will now put it horizontal. Okay. So first, I'm going to start from the middle. I'm going to start sewing it on this paper direct. Okay. So I'll be following those lines. There is no need for me to mark it out, so there's line already. I see those lines the sewing machine, so I'm going to bring it back after I finish this. So please don't. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and give it a huge thumbs up, and press this to the sewing machine to put this there. And I'm going to take you guys there to show you how I'm going to sew it. Okay, so I've placed the pattern. I've placed the pattern on the sewing machine, so I'm going to follow this line. So like this. So I'll place it like this. So I will start sewing. The first, do you know how to put. So this is the halfway, and the paper is still on it, the pattern. So I will finish it and I will take the para off. So we see the design. So this is the both sides. This and that. And this is the back. This is the back. So guys, I've finished sewing everything together. Now I've joined the shoulder, the two shoulder. So I have to join the sleeves. So I use another design for the sleeves. So after we join the sleeve, then we can take this pattern off. We can peel it off like this. So this how it just it's very easy to peel. So I have to peel it up before folding the edge together. So I'll be right back when I put everything together. It's almost done. So easy to do. Put the sleeve on and then I'll come back to show you guys.
Directions again. Sound it. Okay, on the beat, and I'm feeling the thing. So baby, do you really wanna get it? So baby, do you really wanna get it? Maybe you should really come and get it. You should really come and get it. The way you're looking, boy, you gon' get it. And if I give you hope, you gon' take it. Nobody you just a